I have a very special statement to make to the NPAs. Kaya lang, wala sila dito. So I will dispense with my usual practice. Kasi gusto ko talagang sabihin sa kanila na you are no longer relevant to the lives of the Filipino people. It is interspersed with masasakit na salita only because they continue to perpetuate, though in a very small scale this time, the art of violence. More than 50, 52, 53 years of fighting. All that they had until now achieved was to slaughter the Filipino. Kaya po talagang when it comes from the heart, it does not carry bitterness or vengeance, but as a worker of government, sometimes I cannot escape my role to play as the, well, kailangan mong gawin. Kaya all that I can remember here was we in this place, Lucena, I and Senator Alan Peter Cayetano promised the return promptly noong levy to the farmers. At yung levy sa 5,000 sa irrigation, I made that promise in front of the NPAs in Bulacan. Because at that time, I thought that kung maibigay ko lang dahan-dahan, maybe I could not be able to complete really, to give the things that you want. I could temper the tempo of, I said, the violence. But until now, they continue to treat the barangay workers, the barangay captains who are sympathetic to the government or who are really pro-government. Pati yung mga sundalo ko, mga pulis ko, they continue to kill them. And to think that when they surrender, in all of the, from Mindanao up to Luzon, my order was really to accept them with an open arm and talk to them. At alam mo, sa totoo lang, sa Mindanao, pagka they surrender, automatic may mga bahay na kaagad sila. We have built so many houses for them because you know that we have to accommodate the surrenderies. At akala ko nga I could maybe change the severity of the moment. Medyo matagal o ayaw yung iba. But there has been really quite a reduction of the NPA activities. They are in Mindanao, not limited to northern Mindanao, including Davao City. May mga dalawa na lang o almost pawala na. At sana naman ganon ang mangyari sa ibang regions. I said because yung violence is really despicable to me.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.